Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and here's your top news from this week. First, Pratt & Whitney Canada signs a new maintenance agreement with Qantas. Then, the NBAA opposes Trump's ATC privatization plans. And Gwynne Shotwell is named the winner of its Satellite Executive of the Year award. All your news coming up after this brief message from our sponsor. Pratt & Whitney Canada has signed a new contract with Qantas Airways for the maintenance of an additional 51 auxiliary power units on a variety of aircraft flown by the Qantas Group. The contract covers 20 APS 2100 APUs for Qantas Link Boeing 717 aircraft, 19 APS 5000 APUs for Jetstar and Qantas Boeing 787 aircraft, and 12 PW980 APUs for Qantas Airbus A380 aircraft. With the signing of this deal, almost all Qantas Airways planes are now under maintenance agreements with Pratt & Whitney Canada. Ed Boland, CEO and president of the NBAA, gave a strong opposition to Trump administration's budget proposal, which appears to endorse an air traffic control giveaway to the big airlines. Under the plan supported by the president, congressional oversight of the nation's aviation system would be transferred to a private board dominated by the airlines and unaccountable to Congress. The concern is that the changes in the proposal would cause harm to American communities that rely on general aviation for essential transportation. The idea has been championed by the airlines as Congress has been debating reauthorization of funding and programs for the Federal Aviation Administration. Congress still needs to take action to reflect its direction on the budget. Via Satellite has announced Gwynne Shotwell, president and COO of SpaceX, as the winner of its Satellite Executive of the Year award. Under her leadership, SpaceX pulled off a record 18 successful launch missions, with 3 in June of 2017 alone. She also saw SpaceX achieve the world's first reflight of an orbital-class rocket and the successful launch of an X-37 spaceplane on a Falcon 9 rocket. Editorial director of Via Satellite said, "SpaceX has truly been a transformational company in our sector, and in many ways, Gwynne Shotwell has been at the heart of one of the most amazing success stories our sector has ever seen." This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Look for the CEO Leadership Series profile of Lavero CEO Robert Arnone in the March-April edition of Wings magazine. And be sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, March 2nd for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.